Today I'm going to be showing you how I use my Clever Fox weekly planner. I decorated mine a lot with like markers and stickers and washi tape, but on its own it's kind of plain. If you like a really colorful planner, then it's up to you to add those details in. I know I had a lot of fun doing that. The first thing you see when you open this planner is that you've got some prompts so you can fill out your gratitude, your passions, daily rituals like skills and habits that you want to learn over the year, and affirmations that you plan to use to help you achieve your goals over the year. Next, you've got a vision board. Here you have a place to organize your goals for the year. Next, you've got a place to choose your 5 most important goals, and you can create a mind map. Each month has little goal setting sections, so habits, skills you want to learn, things you want to avoid, places you want to go, people you want to see, and then you've got a place to write all your goals. And at the end of the month, you can write down your wins and the ways that you plan to improve next month. This is what the weekly layout looks like. So each week you've got a main goal, and then you can give yourself a reward if you achieve it. You've got the week's priorities, a to-do list, a habit and skills tracker for every day. And then at the end of the week, you've got your week's wins and how you'll improve next week. I found these sections really helpful for getting my priorities for the week straight and motivating myself to track my habits. In the back of the planner, you've got about 50 pages of plain dotted paper that you can just use however you want. And if you flip to the very back of the planner here, you've got a little pocket where you can keep things. These are the stickers that I used to decorate my planner and make it really colorful. I love this set of stickers. It comes with 2,600 very cute and colorful little stickers that just make using the planner a lot more fun. I would definitely recommend using this planner for anyone who wants a place to organize their yearly, weekly, daily goals and stay really focused and organized. This is probably my favorite planner that I ever used. It had great reviews online, and I can see why.